In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how you can FaceTime Android users from your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but you can use these same instructions for other iPhones. I think this starts from iOS 15, okay? So what you need to do is go to your iPhone and go to FaceTime. On FaceTime, instead of tapping on new FaceTime to start a new FaceTime call, since you are trying to FaceTime an Android user, tap on create link and then share the link with the Android user you want to. So I'll just go to WhatsApp, for instance. You can use messages if you want to. I'll just go there and tap on the contact I want to FaceTime and share that link with them. So just tap on send. FaceTime will create a link and you can share that link with your Android friend. So now the person using an Android phone will get that message, and all they have to do is tap on the message. That link is going to open in the default web browser of that user. So for this user, it's Chrome. So you can see the link opening and it's FaceTime. So put a name that you want to join the FaceTime call with. So I'll just put a name like Office, for instance. You can put in your own name and then they'll tap on done. And then it's gonna open FaceTime, as you can see, on the browser. And then all they need to do is request to join the FaceTime call. So they'll tap on join. And then as soon as they tap on join on your own iPhone in FaceTime, you should see FaceTime link. Someone is requesting to join. Tap on that. Now you yourself, you have to join first. So first of all, join the call. And once you join, you should see at the top there's one person waiting to join. Okay, so just tap on that and you can see that person waiting to join is called Office. So to accept, just tap on the check mark, the green check mark. And then as you can see, waiting to be let in. So currently it's working on letting that user in. And now, as you can see, the FaceTime call has been connected. So that's basically how you can FaceTime with an Android user. Okay, now I've just muted the microphones just to stop that interference. But that's basically how to that's how to FaceTime an Android user from your iPhone. So the Android user can only leave this FaceTime call. Only the person who initiated the FaceTime call, which is the iPhone user, can end that FaceTime call. All you can do on the Android is leave. Okay, and that's basically how to FaceTime an Android user from your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.